Should I renovate before selling my home? Does renovation always bring me more money? Hi, my name is Priscilla. I'm your real estate broker in the Greater Toronto area. Today, let's talk about renovation. A lot of sellers have the impression that renovation brings better sold price. It is true that a lot of buyers are attracted by a newly renovated homes. It is particularly the case when the buyers buy this home for their own residence, particularly when they are newcomers settling in Canada. And they just picture themselves to unfold their new life in this new home. So I think a lot of us can relate to that thoughts. Another thing is not every buyer are very handy. They don't have the DIY ability or the lack of knowledge to supervise a contractor team to renovate for them. So when they see a finished renovated home, they just know that they can right away move in and enjoy the new life there. So that's why new homes are often very popular. But on the other hand, should we always renovate? There are many factors that we cannot overlook. The first thing is timeline. It normally takes you minimum 1 to 9 weeks, depending many other variable factors. The time can be even longer. So do take into consideration if you need the proceed of the funds right away, this might not match. Another thing is a capital outlay. A lot of times when you renovate, you have to pay the contractor team upfront. So if you can only have the funds after you sell the property, this might not fit you. You probably even need to consider to take a loan, depending on your mortgage capability. Last but not least, you really have to consider what is your target selling price after you renovate. Because if the market doesn't correspond to the cost you put in to renovate, you might have a negative impact. So let's say you've made up your mind and decided to kick off the renovation project. These are some items really worth of consideration. For quick and easy fix, you can consider painting the rooms, renewing the old flooring, and paint the kitchen cabinets. These three things add up together. Immediately, it will make your property looks newer and reduce the perception of your property age. Another thing worth of doing is the crown moulding and the baseboard. These two things, again, are not very energy consuming, but will add elegance to your home. Longer term, more serious projects, you can consider finish the basement, or we just remodel the basement. It might take up to 9 weeks, but when you have a finished basement in your home, it absolutely adds the value because you just enhance the area, the living area. Kitchen and bathroom, these are the two items. If you want to do the serious renovation, the priority items you want to consider. When you have a new kitchen and a new bathroom, right away the property feels more modern and adds value. It attracts the buyers to more willing to offer premium for your home. Last thing is driveway and deck. When you install them, it makes your backyard and front yard more attractive. So what's the conclusion? Actually, it's not a fixed rule to say that renovation will definitely brings you a higher net gain because it highly depends on the market. Make sure discuss with your listing agent. Ask him or her do a very good job to estimate the true market value. So he or she is going to pull out the most recent transaction, most recent sold price of similar properties in your neighborhood, and he's going to do the adjustment based on the renovation. And when he gives you the simulation of the true market value, then you compare with your budget on renovation, then you will see if this is a truly profitable activities. This is the end of this video. If you have any recent home selling plan, please feel welcome to talk to me. I can cater the home selling strategy for you. Looking forward to connecting with you soon. Bye-bye.